Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking of course at our bullish and bearish scenario. Both I'm gonna start with the bearish scenario where we have obviously an A, B, C, D and an E. Of course, formation of a triangle, your wave E is toward the upside, which is the last wave of your triangle, and then you're looking therefore towards the downside after finishing your wave E for, of course, for lower prices. Now, possibly, of course, that you might reach somehow the low here, and maybe at $8 for AVAX in your bearish scenario. In your bullish scenario, you are already in an A B, and a C toward the upside, where you are looking at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C here. And of course, your wave V is a W, X, and a Y, where you have finished a zigzag in W, in a very shallow X, and then a final zigzag in the Y. And then, of course, we see an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, A, B, C as expanding flat for your wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably one more wave 5 towards the upside continuation, of course, for this wave C. Now, in this case, we would like, of course, to see higher prices a little bit. Your wave 5 must be a little bit more extended in case you are bullish, because your wave 3 here is not really very high and needs, of course, we need to take the high here. So a wave 5 is recommended to be extended. Now, if we take a look, of course, on the 1 hour chart for AVAX, we see on the 1 hour chart, in the last time we analyzed this, yes, as you can see, we have, let's take the 4 hour chart, and 1 hour chart is a little bit narrow for the screen as well. So here we go. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, so your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, your wave 4 did not interfere with your wave 1, so this is an impulse, perfect. And then, of course, 1, 2 here, your wave 2 is an ABC. Now, as you can see, for this correction for your wave 4, we have already reached it here. We have touched, okay, let's clean up a little bit. We have touched the 0.5 fib level for a wave 4 and a wave C here. So this is the bottom. And this was your bearish scenario, I think, from the last time. Yes, because we interfere with the wave 1 in case, of course, that this wave 4 dive deeper and gets inside this wave 1. So we did not, that's perfect. So we are still in a bullish scenario, and we are looking probably for higher prices. After looking here at an A, B, and a C, your wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably finished here. Now the problem is not problem, but yeah, it looks like a little bit sideways, but that is not, I think this is a wave 1, A, B, and a C for a wave 2. Of course, it has range longer, but it is fine. The time is not invalidation in Elliott wave, so probably we are looking at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation to the upside. So I would say let's label this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Of course, looking for higher prices a little bit. So let's put this in the 1 hour chart. Now let's see 1, 2, and then yes, I think we can get here. Let's see if we can get some targets for our wave 3 based on this impulse or the start of the wave 1. So if we get wave 3 as an impulse, we get, okay, yeah, so your wave 3 might be here somewhere at the 1.618 for $50 for AVAX. And here we go, we have start kind of like impulsively to move towards the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, possibly, of course, moving higher for AVAX. So yeah, these are the insights for AVAX. Let's move again to the 1 hour chart just to check the healthiness of this scenario. Okay, I mean, this, it looks like 3 waves up, but I think internally still can be impulsive. Maybe I need to check it even a little bit smaller. Here we go. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, it's fine. It's totally fine. As said, internally, it is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished, of course, as a wave 1. So everything is fine, I would say. And then we have an A B, and a C, your wave C here. Yeah, it might be even WXY actually, because your wave C looks a little bit weird, or even 1 2 probably, or 1 2 3 4 and a 5 ending diagonal. Yes, that's an ending diagonal, that's why it looks like a little bit choppy. And then 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Perfect, everything is fine, guys. So I think we are moving for higher in AVAX. The targets are, of course, around the $46 and $50 for AVAX. This is the highest possibility. Your bearish scenario, of course, is that you might reach only the 1-to-1 fib level. So that means, of course, you still have to move to higher. In case you reach the 1-to-1 fib level at 43, and then you start to move impulsively in 5 ways toward the downside, therefore you have finished A, B, and a C. Yeah, and in that case you will move, of course, impulsively toward the downside. However, lower possibility for this, but keep it in mind, of course, as a bearish scenario once you hit this target, just to watch the price action, and of course take your profit in case it is reversing. So that was it for AVAX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.